Now see here, students, divide the following. So these 3-digit numbers are given. These 3-digit numbers we have to divide with a single digit or double digit. So then how to divide? First, 5 divides 556. First we have to take 5 extreme left value, left digit. 5 is equal to 5, no need to take the next place. Then when you will get 5 in 5, 5 ones are 5, then minus 5 minus 5, 0, no need to take that 0. Then you take 5, again this 5, when you will get this 5, 5 ones are 5, minus 5 minus 5, 0, no need to take 0, then 6. When you will get this 6 in 5, 5 twos are 10, 10 is greater than 6, so you take 5 ones are 5 only, 5 ones are 5, then minus 6 minus 5, 1. This is your remainder. 1 is your remainder, 5 is your divisor, 556 is your dividend, and 111 is your quotient. Okay. Now 11 divided by 999. Here our dividend 2-digit number, here also we have to take 2-digit. Okay. 99. When you will get 99 in 11, 11 nines are 99, minus same number minus same number is 0. Then after that one number is left here. If one number is left here, then what we have to do? So we have to keep a 0 in the quotient. Then after that we have to take that number as a remainder. When we have to do this? When a number is left here, then that number is less than this divisor, we have to keep a 0 here, then you have to take that number as a remainder. Okay. Now 13 divided by 856. Then so in all this, when divisions and multiplication, be perfect in tables. Tables are very important. Okay. So by heart your tables. Okay, till 20 tables you have to by heart. Now this 85 we have to check in 13 table. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 13 threes are 13 fours are 13 fives are 65, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91. It means 91 is more than this. 13 sixes are we have to take 13 sixes are 78, then minus 5 minus 8. So it is a less value of minute, so take borrow from here. You will get here 7 and here 15. 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, no need to take that 0. Now you see, now you take here 6. Already here 13 6 are 78 we took, that 78 is greater than this. So 13 6 are, it won't work out here. So 78 is more than this. So 13 5s are we have to take, 13 5s are 65, then minus 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 6 1, 11. This is your remainder, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, this is your quotient. Okay. Now this one, 16 divided by 842. Now 16, in 16 table when you will get 84, 2 digits we have to take. Here 2 digit number, so here we have to take 2 digit. 16 fives are 80, then minus 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 8 0, don't take. Then after that 42. Then in 16 table we have to check 42, when you will get 42. 16 ones are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48, it is more than this, means 16 2s are we have to take, 16 2s are 32, minus 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 3 1. This is your remainder, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, this is your quotient. Okay. Now 4 digit number with a single digit number we have to divide with 8, 2340, 2340 divided by 8. So here it is a divisor is a single digit number, so we have to take extreme single digit left value, so that is 2. 2 is less than this 8, it means we have to take 23 at a time. Then in 8 table, when you will get 23, read your 8 table, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 24 is greater than, means 8 2s are 16 we have to take, then minus, borrow here it is 1, here 13, 13 minus 6 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0, no need to take, then after that 4. When you will get 74 in 8, read your 8 table, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72, then minus, 4 minus 2 2, 7 minus 7 0, don't take, then copy the next digit, that is 0, then 20. When you will get 20 in 8 table, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, here 20 is there, 8 2s are 16, now minus, borrow from here, why? Because minute is less, so here 1, here 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 minus 1 0, no need to take. This is your remainder, so this is your divisor, this is your dividend, and this is your quotient. Okay. Now the next, 7 divides 3494. See, first it is a single digit divisor, so we have to take a single digit first, 3 is less than this 7, so we have to take 34. When you will get 34 in 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 35 is greater than this, means we have to take 7 4s are 28 minus, so minute is less, borrow from here, here we will get 2, here we will get 14, 14 minus 8 is 6, then 9, 69. When you will get 69, see, read your 7 table, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, means 9s are we have to take 63, then minus, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 6 0, don't take, then again it is 64, so we have to take again 63, 7 9s are 63, then minus, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 6 0, don't take. This is your remainder, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, and this is your quotient. Okay. In this bit more 4 sums were there similar, so that 4 sums you do as your home assignment. Okay. Next students, here divide the following, 526 divided by 32. Now, so it is a bigger table, then how to divide when bigger table is given? 32 divided by 526. First, we have to take two digits, 52. 52 is greater than 32. So, no need to take one more place. So, in 32 table, when you will get 52, 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are, if you do not know, then multiply 32 with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 64. 64 is greater than 52. Do not take 32 twos are, 32 ones are 32. Then 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 3, 2. Then next place 6, 206, 206. Now, so when you will get 206 in 32, so how to check? Here you have to take a single digit, here 2 digits. In 3 table, when you will get 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, means 7s are, 3 sevens are 21, 3 6s are, means once you check 32 6s are. Here 32 into 6, 6 twos are 12, 1 here in tens, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 192. It means 32 6 are, 32 6 are 192. Then minus 6 minus 2, 4, borrow here, here 1, here 10, 10 minus 9, 1. See here, 14 is your remainder. So, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, this is your quotient. In this way you have to do. Okay. In the rough column you have to check when it will come in 32 table, because 32 is a big table. So, you do not know 32 tables, no. First you multiply and check. So, where the number will come, so that nearest number you have to take. Okay. Next, 47 divided by 179. Now, here we have 2 digit number. So, first you take 2 digit number, extreme 2 digit left side numbers 17. 17 is less than 47. So, we have to take 3 digits 179. In 47 table, when you will get 179, once you check 47 4s are, 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 4 are 16, 17, 18, 188, it is more than that. So, 47 3s are, 47 3s are, 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 141, 141, 47 3s are 141. Then 9 minus 1 8, 7 minus 4 3, 38. This is your remainder. This is your remainder. Remainder is always less than the divisor. See, once you check, this is remainder 38 and divisor 47. Remainder is less than the divisor. So, your answer is correct. This is the remainder, this is the divisor, this is your quotient, this is the dividend. Okay. Now, 15 is divided by 756. First you take 75. In 15 table, when you will get 75, 15 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 5s are 75. Then minus, same number minus same number 0, no need to take. Then after that one number is left. If here one number is left, then what we have to do? So, we have to take a 0 here, and after that you take your remainder here. Okay. So, this is the method. Now, 551 divided by 42. 551 divided by 42. So, here we have to take 2 digits, 55. 55 is greater than 42. Then 42 ones are 42. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. Now, we take 1. 42. Here 131. So then this 131 when we will get in 42. Once you check 42 3s are 42 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 126. This 126 is less than this 131. Then we can take 42 3s are 126 minus, take borrow from here, 11. 11 minus 6 5. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. This is your remainder. This is your remainder, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, and this is your quotient. Okay. Now see here students, 388 divided by 65. 65 divides 388. Now, so we have to take 2 digits here, 38. 38 is less than 65. Then we have to take 3 digits at a time. Then we have to check in 65 table. 65 5s are how much? First you check. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. 325 is near to 388. Okay. Once you check 65 6 are also. 6 5s are 33. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 39. 390 is greater than 388. It means we have to take 65 5s are. 65 5s are 6, 325. 325. Then remain. Minus it. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 2, 6. 63. Now once you check here, what is your remainder? Here remainder is 62 and divisor. Compare these two. Your remainder is less than the divisor. So it is correct. So this is remainder, this is divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient. Okay. Now 72 divides 985. You take extreme 2 digits left side, then 98, 98 and 72. So they are very near and greater than 98 is greater than 72. No need to take one more digit. 72 ones are 72 we have to take. 8 minus 2, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. And next place 5. 265. Then in 72 table when you will get 265. So check. In 7 table 26. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. It is 28 is greater. So 7 threes are. It means 72 threes are you have to check. 72 threes are. 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21. 216. 72 threes are 216. Then borrow here 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now compare these two. Remainder 49 and divisor 72. Remainder is less than the divisor. Okay. This is remainder, this is divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient. Now 18 divided by 794. Now 18 table. Then 18 table, first we have to take up 2 digits 79. Then in 18 table when you will get 79. 18 ones are, 18 twos are, 18 threes are, 18 fours are. It will get 18 fours are. 32 3 72 you will get 72. 18 fours are 72. Then 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7 and this 4 again. So don't take here, you take here your quotient. Again 18 fours are 72. 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0. Then this is your remainder. This is your remainder, this is your divisor, this is your dividend and this is your quotient. Okay. See here students, find the quotient and remainder without actual division, So, without division we have to say what is the remainder and what is the quotient. Here first remainder and quotient. So, first you have to write quotient and after you have to write remainder. So, here we are dividing with 10, 1 0 is there, last one place means ones place is our remainder and rest of the places are quotient. When we divide with 10, only ones place is our remainder, rest of the places are quotient. Here we are dividing with 100, then what is the quotient and what is the remainder? Last two places, ones and tens places, remainder and rest of the places are quotient. Here also we are dividing with 100, last two places remainder and rest of the places our quotient. 89 is quotient and remainder 52. 52 is our remainder. Next, here in this we are dividing with 10, 1 0, it is ones is our only ones place is our remainder and rest of the places our quotient. Here we are dividing with 1000 means 3 places, ones, tens and 100. These 3 places our remainder and rest of the places our quotient. Here we are dividing with 0, ones and tens are our remainder and rest of the places our quotient. Okay. Now, the next, here we are dividing with 0. So, last one place is our remainder, rest of the places our quotient. 871. Here we are dividing with 0, last two places our remainder, rest of the places our quotient. Here we are dividing with 1000, last three places our remainder and quotient remaining places. Here we are dividing with 100, last two places our remainder, quotient, rest of the places. So, like this we have to check how many places remainder and how many places quotient. It depends on the divisor. If it is 10, only last place, ones place is a remainder. If 100, last two places remainder, and 1000, last three places remainder. Okay.